एक्चुअली मैं थोड़ा सेलेक्टिव काम ही दिखा रहा हूँ। एक्चुअली मैं मेरा मास्टर से किया क्या हूँ, कैसे मेरा जर्नी हुआ, अब क्या कर रहा हूँ, बीच में क्या क्या चेंजेस आया, ये सारा मैं मतलब आई वांट टू शो दिस थिंग्स। This is actually when I am studying in masters. Actually, my specialization is printmaking. Um, actually, this is title is Blue Landscape. उस टाइम पे मैं बीए मास्टर्स पढ़ रहा था। उस टाइम में क्या है कि हैदराबाद में ऑलमोस्ट किधर भी देखो, स्पेशली यूनिवर्सिटी सराउंडिंग्स, ह्यूज कंस्ट्रक्शन इज गोइंग ऑन. There is wherever you can see these blue sheets, the under construction, the fencing, we can see that only. Wherever, left, right, and whatever. I used a medium ये सिल्क स्क्रीन. सिल्क स्क्रीन क्या है कि मास प्रोडक्शन में काफी यूज करते हैं. इसमें सिर्फ मैंने एक ब्लू शीट का फोटो लिया हूँ वहाँ का. मतलब कंटिन्यूअसली वो प्रिंट करते ही गया. मतलब एक मतलब दिस इज नेवर एंडिंग स्टोरी. आर यू हियरिंग मी?
Yeah, Devi, we can hear you pretty
Yeah,
well. Go ahead. Yes.
दिस इज द एक्चुअली मैं वही मीडियम के साथ कुछ एक्सप्लोर कर रहा था कि मीडियम भी काम के साथ है. ऐसा ऐसा मतलब प्रिंट मेकिंग है. एक्चुअली मैंने बीएफए पेंटिंग किया था, अचानक मास्टर्स में प्रिंट मेकिंग में ज्वाइन किया. थोड़ा एक टाइप का नया मीडियम है, थोड़ा एक्सप्लोर करने का. मैं ये मास्टर्स में ऐसा मतलब आई डिड दिस काइंड ऑफ वर्क एक्चुअली. This is also woodcut. This title is normally a little I changed land escape. Uh, Actually, this is the landscape is a woodcut medium. This blue thing is I used a silk screen, but actually I just conceptualize there. Actually मैं कोशिश किया कि एक landscape है, कुछ other medium entering in the एक्चुअली क्या बोलो, हमारा कॉलेज में एक्चुअली एक अलग अलग मीडियम होता है, मतलब मेन मीडियम अदर मीडियम. मैंने एक ही काम में कोशिश की थी कि एक मेन मीडियम में एक अदर मीडियम एंटर कर रहा है. ये है. This is the etching. This is also same thing. Wherever we can see in Hyderabad, especially use real estate business is happening. There, wherever we can see, there is a board with the empty land. This land belongs to someone. This land belongs to someone, and that is make me very interesting. I used this medium is etching actually. I use that empty space like a land. I use the paper white like a land. This is the corner. I put a one print etching. This land belongs to. I kept some honeybee things. After that, I went. After finish my masters, I went Delhi. I got some residency program art center. There also, I'm just traveling. I'm just looking Delhi. What is Delhi? That is for new for me. There is a very interesting image I found that there they returned to make Delhi green. Slowly, I started understanding why they returned the make Delhi green. The metro construction happened in Delhi. They cut so many trees. After that, they planted some small trees, and there they returned make Delhi green. That makes me very funny, and I felt something very interesting in that image. This is actually silk screen. I took one of the that photo. I repeatedly screening that image. मतलब प्रिंट कर रहा था, मतलब रिपीटेडली. वो समवेयर कुछ मतलब थोड़ा मतलब क्या बोलते हैं उसको, मतलब छोटा छोटा पेड़ है, उससे क्या हम मेक दिल्ली ग्रीन बनाएंगे, उसमें आधा तो खराब है. as a some kind of question I want to raise. Already, this is I made there. This is one more work I did in that residency time. This is actually site-specific work only. This is the New Art Center is actually for us. This is the Adda. So many artists are coming there and talking. बहुत ही मतलब काफी almost above 100 artists are staying there in Sarail. तो ऐसे बैठ के बात करते थे with वो न्यू आर्ट सेंटर के साथ एक छोटा सा प्रोजेक्ट किया था, छोटा सा मतलब एक कुछ करेंगे एंट्रेंस में। उस टाइम पे मैंने उसके लिए छोटा सा मीनिंग देने के लिए बीहाइव को वी हाइव बना के मैंने छोटा सा मतलब दिस इज अ काइंड ऑफ फैमिली काइंड ऑफ एटमॉस्फेयर इज देयर। मैंने वो थोड़ा ऐसा कोशिश किया था कि वी हाइव आई गिवन टाइटल वी हाइव। The bees are like a human forms. Everyone coming here, staying here and talking, sharing knowledge and whatever is happening. Very interesting place that I want to make for that place something. I made this actually that time. This is also same thing in New Art Center only. I am actually in that time. Just whatever I get mediums and material, I want to play with some objects. This is already ready-made things only. This is a cupboard and a money plant. I only painted that human, someone hands and legs. The legs also, this is also founded legs only. Someone left some artist there. I just made it. I just want to experiment with this kind of ऑब्जेक्ट्स एंड मतलब वो साथ में कुछ मनी प्लांट का कुछ अलग कहानी है। ये कितना ग्रो करेगा उतना पैसा आएगा, ऐसा ऐसा कुछ कुछ मैंने कुछ कोशिश करा। तो कबोर्ड भी एक काइंड ऑफ मीनिंग देता है, समथिंग वी आर कीपिंग इनसाइड। बाद में मैंने और एक रेसिडेंसी में गया था, आर्ट फॉर ऑल। उसमें क्या है कि एक पब्लिक प्रोजेक्ट चल रहा था, उसमें भी मैं एक काम किया था। इसमें क्या है कि नॉर्मली ये स्तूप काइंड ऑफ स्तूपा मीन्स समथिंग रिटर्न अबाउट कुछ कोटेशंस होते हैं ना, 10 कमांडमेंट्स लाइक दैट। वो शिलाफलका, तेलुगु कॉल्ड शिलाफलका। Like that I made with mirror so many like kind of temple architect, like some temple feeling. There I pasted some text that is a Vemana poems in Telugu. 16th century one poet is there. He is a social reformer and a yogi also, and like his poems are very very humor, very satirical. Like that I pasted that poems here. When the public will come, I interact with them and I will tell them, oh yeah, you can see it, read it, see your face, and write it about yourself, what you are thinking when you are looking your face in your in the mirror. People, I given them for blue sticks and they started writing and they are pasting. This is the actually work I did. This is I think 2014 I made this work. This is the painting.
So how do they write? How do they write?
With I provided pen and sketch pens and
on the glass. On the
no, I given them here na. You can find it. They are pasting with paper. I given blue sticks.
Oh.
Yeah, they will like normally in our temples some traditions are there na. कुछ भी मन्नत है उसको बांध के पेड़ को, something like that. I tried.
What if this
yeah, motives. this painting, at the same time, I used to do some painting and is a use almost 8 or 9 feet acrylic on canvas. Normally in Delhi is a very big city. I started doing so that window, something happening inside. At the same time, this is actually multi stories are there. Every window telling some different story. Some people are very ritual. Some people are very some different. This is a very that makes me very interesting. I started capturing all different windows, whatever I am experiencing, whatever I am seeing. In between that, suddenly something happened to me. I started, I left, I went for do some jobs and some different experience. I went for, I need to do, मतलब कुछ तो काम करना पड़ा क्योंकि सर्वाइवल प्रॉब्लम है. मैंने गया कुछ म्यूजियम कलेक्शन का एक शो हो रहा था, उसमें एज ए कोऑर्डिनेटर मैंने ज्वाइन किया. उसमें क्या है कि काफी इंडियन म्यूजियम्स का अलग अलग, मतलब भारत भवन का और नेशनल म्यूजियम का अलग अलग कलेक्शन एक ही साथ आके डिस्प्ले हो रहा था. उसमें मैंने एज ए मेरा काम था, काम को कलेक्ट करो, इसमें अच्छे जगह में रखो. ये almost 6 months I worked for them. Slowly, regularly मैंने प्रैक्टिस कर रहा था क्योंकि समझ रहा था कि काफी पेंटिंग्स थे उधर इंडियन मिनिएचर. थोड़ा थोड़ा मतलब कुछ समझता था, कॉपी भी करता था छोटा छोटा काम देख के, क्योंकि वैसे बैठ नहीं था उधर. तो धीरे धीरे मैं ये लर्निंग कर रहा था. बाद में क्या हुआ, ये ऑलमोस्ट 6 months मैंने इसमें काम किया. उसके बाद मैंने गया बीबीसी में गया एज ए इलस्ट्रेटर. सडनली क्या हुआ, बीबीसी में कार्टून्स करना पड़ा मुझे. मतलब अचानक वो लोग मतलब दे सेड मेक इट सम कार्टून फॉर 2015 इलेक्शंस हैपनिंग. That time I made, suddenly I started doing these cartoons. I want to show some two of this is the cartoons. One is that Kejriwal, and another is that Baba made a movie. This is an emergency meeting. I enjoyed a lot in that particular job actually. This is basically क्या बोलते हैं, काफी फनी था, खूब मजा आ रहा था क्योंकि मतलब वेरी सेटेरिकल, वेरी ह्यूमर, वो कॉमिक का एसेंस. धीरे धीरे काफी मजा आने लगा. मैं कुछ दिन 2 दिन काम किया, अलग अलग कॉन्सेप्ट का कार्टून्स किया मैंने. बाद में मेरा ऑलमोस्ट 1.5 ईयर ऑलमोस्ट गैप आ गया. मतलब मैं काम कर रहा था उससे पहले, अचानक ब्रेक आ गया. ब्रेक के बाद फिर मुझे लगा कि यार काम करना चाहिए. मतलब मैं दिल्ली इसलिए आया था कि कुछ काम करो. फिर मुझे लगा था कि ठीक है बीबीसी करते करते काम करेंगे. फिर सोचा, मैंने छोड़ ही दिया बीबीसी का. फिर मैंने फिर नया काम करने लगा. तब मुझे समझ ही नहीं आ रहा था करना क्या है, मतलब ह्यूज गैप दे दिया मैंने. तो धीरे धीरे मैंने क्या किया, मेरा माइंड में कुछ कुछ भी आया, कुछ भी मतलब मैं बिना सोच के whatever coming in my mind, I want to put it in a paper. I started like this. This is my sketchbook actually. I started drawing whatever images coming through my experience, some stories, my memories, whatever coming in my mind, I started just doing. I did so many drawings like this. This is the details of that. I started some Rajasthani people, and this is some kind of funny elements are coming automatically coming that because of that. Maybe I think the cartoons effect is there. This is also kind of drawings. Just I am putting once I am not making proper what I want to do. Whatever coming in my mind, I'm just putting in a paper. Slowly, I started I want to play with that images, make some kind of story that makes some sense. I started like this, arranging different images like this. This is actually a dead animal. The top of that case is a bird, is alive, but that is in a case. When these two images comes together, this makes some meaning. Kind of play I started with images. Like that only comes like this also. This is actually I took some proverb. Basically in South India, mostly there is a mustache. People will say who will hold the nimbu in their mustache. He is a very powerful guy. But I made here that is actually very weak man. He, he have a huge mustache. He decorated with some weapons and all that. I want to counter as a kind of counter. I want to give it uh, like this small. I decorated that mustache with small weapons and guns and the power. How the power is. This is again. I went back again. I whatever I did in previous works. I reinvented that images. Same. This called invader story told by a monkey. This normally the old work format, previous work format. I just want to make some kind of with the different images, make some sense. This is the architectural form. All are very unnatural things, and the monkey is eating mango. It's monkey. No need. The monkeys normally need to stay in the jungle. That comes in a city and make because of our food. I want to make kind of question also, raise some kind of question. I tried something. I mean, play with images and make like that only. I kept so many ritual images and like that artificial things. This is a detail. This is again same that blue sheet. फिर भी मैंने प्रीवियस वर्क कुछ इमेजेस फिर भी मेरा काम में लेकर आया मतलब इसमें भी काफी मीन्स इमेजेस के साथ मैंने प्ले किया क्योंकि इसमें काफी अलग अलग इश्यूज है एग्जांपल I'll show you this. This is under construction. Something happening. This monkey came outside and watching. This is the back side. Is a huge construction is happening. The one boy is still sleeping in a footpath. I made a multi. I showed a multi issues in this painting, like this. These are details.
They're on rice paper.
Yeah, rice paper. Yeah, this is also same. Again, this is my regular process to make new images. Uh, like regular process, like sketchbook. Regularly, I draw something new images and again play with the images like that. This is the example. Sometimes I used to write some poems in that work. This is actually I use the poem is the Vemana poem. The fruit look like very good when we cut it and there is a warmth. Like a very kind of मतलब काफी इंटरेस्टिंग पोएम्स है मतलब समथिंग मीनिंग this is detail This is also the same poem only. The Medi Pondu Chudu Melimayundu Pottam Chudu. That's the Telugu poem. I used to write Telugu. Sometimes, this gives what, मतलब ये particular poem दूसरा इमेज के साथ some sense create करता है. मतलब okay, he talking about this, like that. This is also 2 portraits. Normally, I try to play with his shadow, and he is a fake man. He's showing something. I'm a very great man, but basically he is not. This is this kind of collage work ना I never plan. मतलब मैं कभी प्लान नहीं करता हूँ यही करना है. मेरा नॉर्मली रेगुलर प्रोसेस में क्या होता है, काफी इमेजेस माइंड में आता है, कुछ भी मैंने देखा पढ़ा. बेसिकली इसमें रियल पीपल है. वो कोई स्वीप रखा हुआ है ना, वो ताऊ, वी कॉल ताऊ. इज अ वेरी क्लोज फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन. इज अ ओल्ड मैन एक्चुअली. डिवोर्ट सेंटर में वो काम करता था. ऐसा अलग अलग लोग हैं. मतलब वो डॉग इधर लास्ट में वन ऑफ माय फ्रेंड इज ऑलवेज बिजी विथ ऑफिस वर्क. अलग अलग इमेजेस के साथ बाद में मैंने अरेंज करके एक टाइप का अप्रॉक्सीमेट्स ऑफ एशियंट हेड्स. मतलब समथिंग डिग्निटी. I want to raise a kind of issue. Like that, I tried in this particular.
The question on which colors are these?
This is all gouache colors. Gouache, sometimes I use, I only made the colors, the pigments I have. Sometimes I only make. Nowadays, I am using gouache colors only. This is a detail. This is another work, claims of mango tree. इसमें क्या है कि 3.
So question, rice paper stuck on which surface? From Sadhguru.
Rice paper
Stuck on किधर लगाया है? Which surface?
ये canson paper. Normal roll will come na paper roll. I love that surface, rice paper surface, and automatically it makes some very kind of old. Automatically the historical feeling will come. Something okay, काफी पुराना. ये एक claims a mango tree. I used here actually some stories, Panchatantra, some kind of means इसमें 3 panel, एक monkey in the mahal. One is a kind of museum, means historical images, and another is one ideal statue, and some people are there. Something there, the tree is coming from there, but went. I will show you the details. This is a kind of some ideal statue. He's showing a way, but I made some disturbance to someone hidden there. He's what we can say. मतलब उसका ideas को ना छुपा रहे. मतलब something happening there. This is the middle panel. I used like a kind of museum. Some new construction is happening. This is the final one. This is the story. Actually, the Panchatantra story. 2 cats, 1 monkey. The story everyone knows that. Two cats are fighting for 1 roti. The monkey will come and I will distribute you. बट वो डिस्ट्रीब्यूट नहीं करते, वो खुद खा लेते, किसी को बिल्ली लोग कुछ मिलता ही नहीं। हाउ टू से लाइक दैट, मतलब फाइनली मिलता नहीं है किसी को, और कोई खा है, मतलब मंकी जैसा आके। दिस इज this is also same thing. This is the just I'm capturing news, whatever happening in the news. I regularly watch news. And some kind of interesting images I will capture. I will make. One day happened, the mango is the big issue. One day the cow is the big issue. One day is the garibi issue. Kind of issues I captured in this. I made a. I used a newspaper collage as the borders, like how we decorate the center figure. I use there the newspaper. This is the details. This is actually cow, but that is not real. This is I made a face is the number. The rats. This is one portrait of mine. This is actually I inspired from Nisar Ahmad, one poet is there in Kannada, folk poet, folk writer. His song is very interesting. I inspired from his song. What his song is saying, you and me, goat. So many people are goat. In that goat, every goat makes one group. In that group, one leader will come. In another group, another leader will come. When the leaders get angry, they will cut one goat. They will make biryani and they eat like that. That is very interesting, very politically, very satirical. Uh, that only I made same situation here. So some goats are engaging with the different issues. In between, I made one boy. He also he is not part of that group, but he also started acting like them. He also mixing with that group like that. This is a regular image. Normally we can see in villages, but I made we can't see like this. When we go closer, we can see this boy is there. Normally, I given title also like that, a portrait of mine. We never consider child seriously when we do serious discussion. We never like that. Actually, this title is made me a lot of confusion. I thought minority, but that become a minor. The meaning is completely changed actually. आफ्टर मतलब बाद में पता चला कि माइनर मतलब छोटा बच्चा है, इसको कैसे कनेक्ट करेंगे माइनॉरिटी को। ठीक है, माइनर भी एक काइंड ऑफ माइनॉरिटी में आता है, क्योंकि नॉर्मली हम लोग बच्चे को उतना इम्पोर्टेंस नहीं देते, क्योंकि कभी बात करे तो तुम छोटा है क्या, समझ आएगा, चले जाओ ऐसा। तो मैंने वही मतलब आई ट्राइड दैट ओनली। This is I made different groups or different issues. The black bag, what is there inside? We don't know. Something black cover is nowadays is a very dangerous thing. That time happened one issue also in Delhi. One guy is carrying black bag. Some people came and beated a lot because of he's carrying a beef or something. Same thing I am trying to hear. Some group people are diverting with different things. The main thing we are forgetting. I tried like that only. The time of lockdown, I started, kind of documenting some, what actually happening in the lockdown time. That time we have only one source to know what happening outside. That is the news. News, especially WhatsApp. So many fake newses, so many real newses. It's a kind of sometimes we lose hopes. Sometimes we feel something happening. अच्छा हो रहा है, बुरा भी हो रहा है. इस कंफ्यूजन में मैंने थोड़ा थोड़ा मतलब कुछ कुछ चीजें कैप्चर किया. कुछ लोग मतलब सिर्फ ऑब्जेक्ट्स हैं. इसमें क्या है कि डिटेल्स. ये दिस इज अ डिटेल. वो नॉर्मली स्टोरी है, पॉपुलर स्टोरी. कौवा पत्थर पानी के लिए ले रहे. वो तो स्टोरी है इंटेलिजेंट. उसमें क्या है कि वो पत्थर डालते ही जा रहे हैं, वो तो पानी नहीं आ रहा है क्योंकि वो टूटा हुआ है, उसको पता ही भी नहीं. मतलब आई वांट टू change the story. This is also very popular in that time. Cow dung is a good for corona, and that's why I kept that cow in a kind of pedestal, news pedestal. This is same thing. Is very empty, very lonely that time. Somewhere firing is happening. That time we feel someone died. Someone firing means मतलब शमशान घाट हो सकता है, क्योंकि उस टाइम पे किधर जला रहे शमशान घाट भी नहीं, फुटपाथ में भी जला देता था. मतलब एक काइंड ऑफ वेरी हॉरेबल सिचुएशन. This is also not time. This is basically three monkeys story only. The fake news. Don't listen fake news. Don't talk fake news. Don't see fake videos like that. That I'm very, for propaganda. So many fake news are. The old videos are showing now happening. मतलब बहुत पहले का वीडियो से अभी दिखा के अभी हो रहा है, ऐसा हो रहा है. मैंने ऐसे ही एक इमेज बनाया था कि एक मतलब वही थ्री मंकी स्टोरी मैंने कोशिश किया था कि दिस इज अ डिटेल. This is also the time use migration happened, the daily labor workers. I just made given a title, two images. One is the rocket. One is the this guy is walking in a road. I want to make some counter. मतलब I don't need to say so many things. This is a very direct thing. रॉकेट स्पेस में पहुंचा रहे, इसको घर पहुंच नहीं पाए आप लोग. This is also same. घंटी बजाओ. This I just captured images, song to bajao. Like just I'm not saying exactly. I'm just whatever popular images there that time. I'm just capturing that. The parcel box, make plant. मतलब पेड़ को उगाओ, कोरोना खत्म हो जाएगा. ऐसे ऐसे अलग अलग स्टोरीज थे उस टाइम पे. This is the most recent work. This is also basically I took a that one proverb. Your mouth like a sweet honey, but your hand have a throne. Now little I changed this proverb only. Your mouth is like a sweet mango, and your hand like a throne brush. This is a detail. I made a tongue actually, so many tongues. In the tongue, newspaper text means very interesting words. kind of words I used. This is the recent work only. Recently I made. This is the detail. Are you seeing the detail, the text inside the tongue?
Yes.
Mm. Thank you.
Nice work, Ravi.
Thank you. Thank you.
Really awesome. I like your details.
Thank you. Thank you.
You did some sculpture also, right? You did something?
Yeah, in the starting now I have a plan to do, but
Yeah, that's what
I have no space to do actually. That's why I'm struggling for my space.
Mhm.
I have no studio now. I'm doing in a
Yeah.
home now. Why? Because in Delhi I have a studio.
Yeah, yeah.
Currently I shifted Hyderabad. Now I'm continuously traveling home and here.
No.
More I'm spending my time in my home because
Yeah.
of some different issues.
Yeah, in
That
Delhi, you
is
have a big
happening.
studio.
Yeah,
Delhi,
you
you had a
visited.
park,
You visited. We made
parking
a
studio.
yeah parking studio.
Parking
Still,
studio.
Jagdish also is there.
Okay, yeah.
There.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
That is the.
That's good.
That's why my work is very slow now. Not like
Yeah.
Delhi.
Yeah.
Very slowly I am doing.
Yeah. So it's almost like this lockdown series is almost going to end, right? Like now it's
Yeah, almost.
coming
Yeah.
coming back to the
I also suffered that time lot in lockdown.
Mhm.
I need to go home, but I can't because my family people also got this COVID, and
Yeah.
finally I went home. Unfortunately, so many sad things happened.
Oh,
One of my
you also
aunt-
got corona, no? I
yeah, I
think
also
last
got
time
that time. That time only, not only me and my father. One of my aunties, she's dead. But my father and me recovered.
survived. Okay. Oh. Yeah. So mhm. Somebody's asking, are you still
Yeah.
doing job of illustrations?
Sometimes I do commissions. Now I'm not doing particular job. Whatever comes, whatever work will come as a commission, I will do. Sometimes I do for movies, like
Yeah.
storyboard. स्टोरी बोर्ड का काम करता हूँ बीच बीच में कोई भी कमीशन दे देता है.
So do you see that there is a strong impact on your work, that sort of this illustration sort of like I'm not saying that's bad or good. I'm not judging. I'm just saying there is like you are sometimes responding towards something. Like
sure.
yeah, so that's somewhere it's very evident, but at the same time there are certain part in not in recent works, in the maybe the miniature sort of a starting, no, there are certain areas which give more space to the viewer. They can build their own narration.
That is actually I will make situation not confirm this is. I will give to the viewer. He have a different experience. He can imagine.
But that is actually missing in the last set of, like in the last body of work. You are a little more narrating certain things, which is again I'm telling you, like it's not good or bad. But
you can tell me, no problem.
but no, see, we can do any way, no? Like we have many. There is no one way to go and find it, right? Like there are many ways. Illustration also fine. There are great illustrators become artists or whatever, or even the poster become. Once it was all higher, lower, that sort of a thing. But now there is no such demarcation.
I also believe that only. That's why I'm not thinking I'm doing illustration. Maybe in cartoon, maybe in future completely cartoon will come. I don't know. But I never feel it. I feel only one thing. What we are trying to say. That is is there or not. That is means कुछ भी बोल दिया ऐसा नहीं है. Something is there or not. That is मैं सोचता हूँ मतलब काफी सीरियस है. मतलब कुछ भी बोल दिया कर दिया ऐसा नहीं है. थोड़ा something meaningful. I like to try. उसमें कार्टून भी आ सकता है.
But one thing I really, yeah, great. But one thing I really enjoyed in your work is that like whatever you're taking the images, if it is a very modern, very postmodern or whatever, a very recent thing, but you are changing that to the miniature stylist, you know, that kind of a stylization. You are very nicely, you know, you're getting it, right? So that's something which you have, that, you know, that quality of quality in you. But at the same time, like there are certain area which is you are over narrating, you know, you are narrating something in a little more. You have to keep some, I feel like little more you know, distance we needed.
Yeah. You can say no problem.
No, that I'll do. I always do.
We
Always
have
just-
already this kind of conversations.
Yeah, we had a long long chat. I know that.
We come through seeing you people only.
Yeah, we studied in the same place.
Same college.
Yeah, it's great.
Anything else want to ask?
So it is a question from Prajakta that what material you are thinking for your sculpture?
I don't know what material I will use. I didn't plan, but I have a plan. I felt some recently. I felt in my work have some possibilities. I have some collection, means material. I have this habit to collect some material. I'm using that material, ready-made only. I have a plan that, but I didn't did. Collective founding objects like that.
I have a question. Is the rice paper acid free? I mean, like,
That is, I think acid free only.
okay, so where do you source it?
This is actually bought from Kolkata.
Okay, because last time when I'd gone to Shantiniketan, I had tried to get some, I couldn't get anywhere acid free rice paper. And then I was thinking about the longevity of the work.
Yeah. Then we will get acid free rice paper also. That is little costly.
Okay,
This
maybe
is actually one of my friend will send these papers to me.
maybe I'll connect with you later for the
Okay.
some rice paper acid.
Yeah.
Actually, I am not more conscious about these things. This is the acid free or not.
So I feel that in your work, I mean, correct me please, that there is influence, of course, obvious influence of miniature, but other than that, I felt the surrealist Chirico and Rennie Margaret, these people influence.
Peter Berg.
And Peter Bruegel. This is any more influences?
Yeah, I have influences. I love more Peter Bruegel works.
Yeah, that is even in the work which you put out in Srishti Art Gallery.
Yeah.
Then I saw it, I knew, okay, he likes Peter Bruegel a lot.
I used to regularly I watch his मतलब उसका काम हर टाइम देखता रहता हूँ, पढ़ता हूँ थोड़ा सा.
I love it.
अच्छा रहता है. Kind of humor I love actually.
Okay, yeah, I also love Peter Bruegel.
So also there are many artists who work with this rice paper, no? Kiki Smith and then and Zarina Ashmi and also this Hasya Sikandar. You know, like they all use. But one good thing about one good and bad thing about rice paper is like when you paste the paper on the board or whatever, wherever the surface, you feel that your half work is done, you know, because it's
Yeah.
already creating the
Yeah.
the
Yeah, kind
background
of
already is
background.
done.
Yeah,
So if you put one or two images, then it becomes like you feel
Yeah.
you get that. So that is also one
yeah.
kind of you know, I see that is also an easy way to, you know, there are many people actually doing as a one single image on the center or a corner on the surface, and then they, you know, like, so it's also sometimes an easy way, so to tackle that.
For me, what I like is that normally that rice paper when we use that automatically shows this is very old thing. Kind of that will bring us a very back kind of historical feeling will come. I love that actually. I mean, so my work's also talking about social issues and all this. I want to connect with that. That makes easy. At the same time, the rice paper makes just normal people, normal housewives, and because of that, I like more that rice paper.
That makes. There are there are many other paper also, right? Like the in the same kind, banana pulp and then,
banana pulp.
you get it in Hyderabad.
Basili paper.
Yeah, Basli.
Some Korean rice paper.
It's all
that is very nice actually. That we can't buy it.
very expensive.
Very expensive.
So also get rolled.
Yeah, we will get roll.
More, I feel, because I'm an artist who works on paper a lot nowadays. So I feel a little guilty when I'm using Canson and all. So I feel when I use rice paper or Vasli or something, maybe I'm being more eco-friendly. At least I'm not doing so much in the processing, and sophisticated work is going on in the paper. Not only are we cutting trees, we are doing more things. So I mean, something like that, cautions, right? That these papers help, and also you're authentic to your region. Asian, like we're Asian, we are associated with rice.
Rice and
Hey Ravi, this is Anil.
Anil.
Yeah. Remember?
Anil.
Okay. Yeah, Anil, your classmate.
Anil.
చాలా బాగుంది.
నేనే ఫోన్ చేద్దాం అనుకున్నా ఈ ప్రెజెంటేషన్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత.
Okay.
I'm using Telugu.
No. So may I know what is your future projects? Till now we have seen your lockdown works, right? So what is your future projects? Are you taking any international topics? Like Taliban issue is there, global warming is there, or any other like big issues nowadays?
Like there,
big
but
crisis.
I don't know. I have no plans actually. What I need to know. Sometimes very spontaneously it will come actually to me. What I am doing. I have no plans actually. What actually I want. No, I enjoy draw and do listen, seeing news, and I enjoy. But I don't know. I have plans or not. Also, I don't know.
Okay.
So not to have any plan is the current plan.
It's a better plan.
I don't know. We can make sometimes we will make plan. We don't look other things. That's why I want to look everything. That's why I have no plan.
So Prajakta is asking, have you done any prints apart from the blue one?
After my masters, I didn't did any print. Actually, print needed a big setup. Actually, I enjoy more painting. Maybe in future I can do.
Those serigraphs are good. those serigraphs.
Yeah, silk screen.
Because I did something in that same group.
So many people.
Yeah.
Because
it's a very
this
it's a very
university
common
surrounding,
thing.
Yeah, common thing in Hyderabad. Still, wherever you go, still we can
That
see
blue, this
the
thing,
blue. Yeah.
the letter there. It's like when we were there, and it was little more, somebody
Yeah.
come and do it, and then some mysterious action inside. We don't know what it is.
Inside we don't know
You'll
what
see that.
Yeah.
So something. Yeah, I did a couple of work with that.
Yeah. When we are in BFA time, we used to come and do watercolors landscape.
Over there.
Here near only Gachibowli.
Yeah.
Now I am seeing only
different, yeah.
that is gone actually. Whatever that woodcut I made, that is Gachibowli landscape only.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, now we can't see that.
Yeah,
Everything is gone. Like that, some memories gone like that. What we did.
Yeah. When even I gone for study in 2005-06, it was kind of a village sort of a feel, not like university side.
Yeah,
I'm saying, university is almost like a inside sort of village. Even Gobanpalli and all very remote, nobody.
When we are that time also like that only that within 2 years when we joined that time only one kirana shop there. Now completely changed. We can't afford the rooms.
Yeah, it's very drastic. Yeah.
In very short term, that is developed a very